bowling teams were back in action over the weekend. The boys team started with a win over Evergreen with Dakota Brandeberry bowling a 233 and Isaac Stoy 223. To lead the team, the JV team was also victorious with Oliver Proxmire a 166.
The boys basketball team went 0-2 over the weekend. The boys lost to Wayne Trace on Friday 49-38 with Sam Herold leading the way with 14 points. On Saturday, the Bears lost to Eastside 48-44 with Carter Dominique scoring 12 points in the loss.
The wrestlers competed at the Montpelier Ironhorse Wrestling Tournament. Complete records can be seen in the description of this video. Placers for Bryan were first place finisher Alex Lane, second place finishers were Trenitie Ream, Carollo-Jones, and Dom Malanga. Third place finishers were Collin and Kohler, Vitek.
The bowling team also competed in the Teays Valley Invite in Columbus. The boys finished 12th overall. Dakota Brandeberry finished in 19th place. The girls team also finished in 12th with Ashley Grymonprez finished in 20th place.
Just 10 days until exam week.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours.